Hey y'all, it's your girl Lee. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for tapping back in. Y'all, this is my first video of the year 2023. I know I've been missing for a little while, but hey, I'm back. Okay, this video is gonna be all about marriage. So they sent me over some products, so if you're interested, stay tuned to see how I got this look right here. Okay, very simple, very minimalist, if I would say the least. So yeah, let's get into the video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff. Is what? This is the law you should follow. But let's get into this video, y'all.
Merit is all about clean, minimalist beauty. The signature bag ships free with every first order, and you get free shipping over $40 and free returns.
Your first purchase does come with a little makeup bag, which is so cute. And you just tie it like this. And it's a pretty big size. You can even wear this as a bag for real. These are the two products that I will be using today. The first one is the brush number 1 blending brush. And then the second one is the Minimalist Perfect Complexion Stick. So it's not a foundation and it's not a concealer, but it can work as like a starting base and you can build up on it. So first, let's open up the brush. First of all, this packaging is so cute. Okay, so it just has the plastic on it. So this is the brush and it feels very soft, so we love that. Now let's open up the complexion stick, and I got it in shade buff. So I don't know if this is gonna be my shade for real. I tried to look at it and see if this was going to be the best match, but here's the stick. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this bad boy. Okay, just by looking at it, I feel like it's a good color. So again, you can use it as a concealer, or you can use it as a foundation, or just something to build up your products, like if you need something to cover some imperfections or dark marks, like I have a lot. So let's see what we can use this for. Right now I just have my eyebrows on. I'm talking about on, but I did my eyebrows. Let's see. Okay, so baby, look a little light. They do look a little light, but let's blend this out. It's very lightweight. Oh wait, y'all, this just might be my shade, because where did it just go? It looks like skin. What? Nah, that was crazy, and I only used a little. Wow. Y'all better go get y'all like one of these. Okay, look, let's see. Y'all see this dark mark right here? Let's see. We're just hitting for it. And I'm just lightly like dabbing it in and buffing it out. Not doing too much of anything for real. Y'all, this is crazy. This is actually crazy. Okay, so I got a little scratch right here and a little dark mark. Y'all, this is actually kind of crazy. Just how easy this is. And it's barely, I forgot to put primer on, but that's okay. So this is very lightweight, like you barely have to use anything. This is for like if you want something looking very natural, skin-like, and you don't want to do a full face, this would be great to use. Or you can even use it as something that you want to build on, like even a concealer or just something to get those imperfections, excuse me, even to get those imperfections looking a little better. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is finish my face and then I'll come back on, but I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Like I said, it's very lightweight. I didn't have to use a lot. The way it just blends with my skin, like what? And I was guessing. Again, this is the shade Buff. This is what it looks like. The packaging is very cute, y'all. And again, you don't have to use a lot. And then of course, if you wanted to get more, you would like twist it or whatnot. So we're gonna put this back on. And I'm gonna finish my face. I'll be back. And y'all, I don't even be doing too much for real. So I'm gonna just put a little blush, a little contour. I'm so annoying. But yeah, I'm about to do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Did something very, very simple. Little blush. I didn't even contour my nose or nothing. I just did a little something. But I will say that this product right here and this, use them together because this gel is really good for real. You can use this Minimalist Complexion Stick as a foundation base, as a contour, or even as some concealer. So depending on what shade you want, that's what you will be using it for. And the shade that I got, again, was Buff, and it was the perfect match for my skin, y'all. Like, it blended in so well. I didn't have to use that much, and I didn't have to use too much of my hand working to blend this out. Like, it was so simple. So again, this is the #1 blending brush, and this is the complexion stick. The packaging is really cute. Like I said, it comes with a bag, your first order. And I got a code for you guys. I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. I do got a code. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these items or anything else off of Merit's website, go ahead and use my code down below. It will also be in the description, so check that out. Thank you again, Merit, for sending over these products. I love them so much. Make sure you subscribe, come join this gang, okay? And like, comment, do all that good stuff, because what? This is the law you should follow. Bye, y'all.